Hello everybody. I just got back from a long week at work, 4 12-hour shifts, yay! I need this thing out of my garage because the Miata pissed me the hell off. I'll insert clips here. Now it's misfiring. Long story short, that's getting the big sleep. Like the Z got, it's close. It's very close. I mean, I just have to finish up the oil lines really, and then downpipe, and just finish connecting everything. That's really all that's left on this. Well, and then put everything back together. But regardless, this needs to not be broken. So I'm gonna have to figure this out. I'm gonna take a nap, and then I'm gonna get some work done. But I'm pulling the head off the Miata. It's been bothering me for a while. I under heavy suspicion that a valve stem seal went out like 2 years ago. You got no reason to be broken, Speed, ever. Somebody tell me why Vegas is so weird. Like, how is it 1 in the afternoon? Let's check. It's 1 in the afternoon, and it is colder now than it was when I left work at 5:30 this morning. Well, like 5:45 this morning, but still. I've decided I no longer want big red stinky Mazda in the garage. I'll worry about that some other time. I just looked, it hasn't leaked that much oil, so I'm just going to park it the other way on the driveway and bring the Miata in. Going to O'Reilly to go get 2 header bolts for the Z, because maybe I'll go to Ace and see if I can find studs. If I can't find studs, I'm getting bolts. And then Mazda's going outside because I can fix that outside. Night Miata. I got a stud and a bolt. This stud I'm just going to throw in really quick because I don't have to drill it out, tap it and everything. That'll be for when I am working on the Big Sleep #1 vehicle. This M8 by 1.25 stud. Hood's off, garage tune's going, obviously. Let's get to it, boys. Thrash metal's back on. I don't feel like listening to Dirty South anymore. I'm having fun. Hey, sorry my camera died, but I just got the intake bolts out. obviously I don't. So, I don't think I have a 12 point, which is weird because I used to only have 12 point sockets. Might have to run to Harbor Freight real quick, and I don't want to. I mean, my shit's fucking dirty as hell, but I'll just take a quick look around the garage, and if I don't have a 12 point socket somehow, I guess I'll go get one. We are back in business, boys. I just randomly found a 12 point 12 mil. Like shit. There's a couple coolant ports that looks like they were clogged. Yep. Yeah, block looks like garbage too. Why don't I just pull the whole engine? Hi. I accidentally just formatted my card, but after another long, grueling week of only having 3 mechanics and fucking 15 airplanes a night, I got up a little bit early, and I'm going to power wash my transmission because I want to replace my clutch. It is 100 degrees out today. Just randomly. Figured water, cool. I'm still obviously working on the Miata. I did have to put some WD-40 on the cylinder walls because I'm not sure how long it's going to take. I mean, honestly, I'd love to just power wash the entire bay, but don't really have a way of getting the car back into the garage if I do that. I'm going to power wash the transmission because you can... Oh, shit. I'm still really tired, but I mean, my rear main was leaking for a while. 260,000 miles of buffoonery. I'm trying to just get everything all back in. I finally got my torque wrench back from calibration. I'd like to get this done. It's an absolute mess. I'm also going to power wash this head, clean it up. Transmission and the head are power wash. I'm going to let them dry. I'm going to get this clutch out. Got plenty of life left in this clutch. Yeah, I didn't have to change it. Oh, look at that. Looks like somebody replaced it before they sold it to me. I charged my air compressor and it's a 1/2-inch drive. I don't have any 1/2-inch drive adapters or any 19s 1/2-inch drive. But then I remembered my dad, when he gave me the air compressor, gave me this old 3/8-inch drive Campbell Housefold Impact. Let's see if it works. Wow. Well, that fucking sucks. Okay, I am back from my parents' house and I found the socket, so I recharged the air compressor. I'm gonna use my big boy. Yep. All that charging for that. Ooh, there's my leaky rear main. I took out the rear main. Yeah, it literally came right out. I tried drilling into it and it just pushed itself back. And you can see how oily it is. Rear main is in. Guess it's time to put the clutch on. Maybe I'll wait. Maybe I'll go inside. Maybe I'll swap the heads over. I think I'll do that.